Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your home for all things steam, sauna, and modern wellness. If you've been dreaming about having your own steam shower at home, but you're worried it might be too expensive, take a breath. Because today, I'm going to show you exactly what you actually need and what you don't to build a budget-friendly steam shower that still feels luxurious. Let's make this simple, clear, and relaxing, just like the steam session you're planning. A lot of people think creating a steam shower costs thousands and thousands of dollars. And yes, it can get expensive if you start adding every upgrade. But here's the truth. A basic steam setup only needs a few key components, not 12, not 20, just a few. And once you understand what's essential and what's optional, you'll feel so much more confident. And your wallet will feel a lot calmer too. Alright, let's break down the actual must-haves. Number 1, a steam generator, the heart of everything. This is the only piece you cannot skip. It's the machine that boils water and turns it into steam. Budget-friendly models still work beautifully. What matters is choosing the right size for your shower space. The good news, you don't need the most advanced model. You just need one that fits your room volume and insulation. Simple, dependable, done. Number 2, a steam head, where the steam enters your shower. This small fixture goes inside your shower wall. Every generator comes with one. You don't need a fancy designer version unless you really want it. Number 3, a basic control panel to turn your system on and off. Yes, there are touchscreen controls, colored lights, apps, aromatherapy, voice activation. But if you're on a budget, a simple digital controller works perfectly. It lets you set temperature, duration, and start your steam session. That's all you need. Number 4, a fully enclosed shower space. Steam only works when your shower is sealed. This means a glass door that closes properly tiled walls, sealed corners, a moisture-treated ceiling. You might already have most of this, and if you don't, it doesn't need to be complicated, just sealed and safe. And finally, number 5, proper electrical and plumbing setup. This part isn't glamorous, but it's essential. A licensed electrician and plumber will make sure your generator is installed safely. The setup is usually straightforward and doesn't require major renovation. Now let's talk about the extras. These things are wonderful, but they are not required to enjoy steam. Chromotherapy lighting, built-in speakers, aromatherapy reservoirs, smart touchscreen controls, Wi-Fi app integrations, waterfall shower heads, and big expensive benches. All beautiful, all optional. If you're building a steam shower on a budget, think of these as upgrades you can add in the future, not things you need on day one. If you do want one upgrade, choose something simple that adds atmosphere without adding cost. A few ideas. A comfortable bench or fold-down seat, warm LED lighting, eucalyptus essential oil used safely in the steam space, a fog-resistant mirror, good ventilation after your session. None of these are expensive, but they make your steam space feel like a private spa. Here's the part most people don't expect. The magic isn't in the accessories, it's in the consistency. Even the simplest, least fancy steam shower creates powerful benefits. Deeper relaxation, improved breathing, muscle recovery, better skin hydration, stress relief. A warm, comforting ritual you actually look forward to. The luxury is not in the hardware, it's in how you use it. So if you're designing a steam shower on a budget, remember, you only need a generator, a steam head, a basic controller, a sealed shower, and safe installation. That's it. Everything else is optional, not required. Start simple, start practical, start in a way that feels good for you and your home. If you want help choosing the right steam shower model, drop your room dimensions below. You'll find links to all our steam shower collection below in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. And if you'd like more real-world insights or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint. I'm Lena, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.